Alright. We're climbing the Alex Fraser here, guys.
Yeah. Having a leisurely drive.
And we keep getting progressively slower.
Look,
yeah.
the tractor trailer is going by us.
The transport's the fast truck coming up this hill.
Our overdrive.
Down to about 30 now.
30K. Holy shit, eh? I was praying the guy in the red truck up there didn't put on his four-ways that he was stopping or something. Yeah. Like, heaven forbid you gotta switch into the left lane.
Oh fuck, we never make it.
No, and you'd cause all kinds of problems for everyone else.
What?
Oh shit, somebody... No, he's four-way.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Is that our buddy pulling the truck behind him?
Yeah.
So we were fast enough to stop and eat and still catch this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, holy, look at that view out there.
Actually, we climbed this hill in record time this time.
Yeah, it seemed to be pretty fast.
Yeah, that's because we're not heavy.
Yeah,
We're only at 10.
You're only at 10, yeah.
Now we have to keep going. We go real pretty good downhill.
We got only the finest for brakes, you know. IPI invests all they can into their fleet, so don't worry about nothing.
Nope, our brakes will stop on a dime.
That's right. We'll have no problems with the brakes. All of the residents will be very safe driving past the garbage trucks that are mechanically upkept. That's the end of this video.